Welcome to this complete guide on installing NumPy. NumPy is one of the most fundamental packages for scientific computing in Python. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install NumPy on your system using two popular methods, pip and conda. By the end of this video, you'll have NumPy up and running on your machine and ready to use for data analysis and numerical computations. Before installing NumPy, you need to ensure your system meets two basic requirements. First, you must have Python version 3.8 or higher installed on your computer. NumPy requires a recent version of Python to function properly. Second, you need a package manager, which is a tool that helps you install Python libraries. The good news is that pip comes automatically included with Python, so if you already have Python installed, you have pip too. Alternatively, you can use conda, which is the package manager that comes with Anaconda. There are two main methods to install NumPy. Method 1 is using pip, which is the standard Python package installer. This is the most common method and works on all operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Method 2 is using conda, which is the Anaconda package manager. Conda is particularly popular among data scientists because it handles not just Python packages, but also system-level dependencies. Both methods are reliable and will give you a fully functional NumPy installation. Let's start with the pip installation method. To install NumPy using pip, open your command prompt on Windows or terminal on Mac OS or Linux. Then, type the command, pip space install space numpy. Press Enter, and pip will automatically download and install the latest version of NumPy along with all its dependencies. This process usually takes just a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet connection. Once complete, NumPy will be ready to use in your Python projects. Pip also offers advanced options for more specific needs. If you already have NumPy installed and want to upgrade to the latest version, use the command pip space install space -- upgrade space numpy. This ensures you have the most recent version with the latest features and bug fixes. If you need a specific version of NumPy for compatibility reasons, you can specify the version number. For example, to install version 1.26.0, use pip space install space numpy == 1.26.0. This is useful when working on projects that require a particular NumPy version. Now let's look at the conda installation method. If you're using Anaconda or Miniconda, conda is your package manager. To install NumPy with conda, open your Anaconda prompt or terminal and type the command conda space install space numpy. Press Enter, and conda will resolve all dependencies and install NumPy. Conda is particularly good at managing complex dependencies and creating isolated environments, making it a popular choice for data science workflows. The installation process is similar to pip and takes about the same amount of time. After installation, it's important to verify that NumPy is installed correctly and working properly. To do this, open Python by typing Python in your command prompt or terminal. Then import NumPy using the standard convention. Import space numpy space as space np. The as np part creates a shorter alias, so you can refer to NumPy as np throughout your code. To check which version you installed, use print open parenthesis np.__version___ close parenthesis. This will display your NumPy version number, confirming the installation was successful. Here are some important tips to keep in mind. First, consider using virtual environments. Tools like venv or conda environments help you create isolated spaces for different projects, preventing package conflicts. Second, keep NumPy updated. Regularly updating NumPy ensures you get the latest bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features. Third, if you encounter any errors during installation, check that your Python version is compatible with the NumPy version you're trying to install. Finally, for detailed installation guides and troubleshooting help, visit the official NumPy website at numpy.org. The documentation there covers advanced installation scenarios and platform-specific instructions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.